Hello, everybody. It's just me today. I just got back.
Hello!
I guess it's not just me. I just got back from Chicago last night. I was doing an event. I had 5 vehicles I had to take care of. Full correction and ceramic coating on 2 of them, and 3 got a 1-step in ceramic.
Is this your code for the lock?
Yeah, this is my TSA lock. Thank you. But
did they make your
we
TSA lock?
are going to
Open the glove box!
our glove box. So hold on. Let me scoot you to the
It's
side.
a Philly box.
It says your daily dose of car care. So clean, drive, and repeat. So are you ready?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Uh-huh.
What did you do today at school?
I got a boo-boo at school.
You got a boo-boo? You fell down at school?
At recess.
Oh no.
Look, I got a boo-boo.
I see. Mwah. Better? And you had picture day today too, didn't you?
Yes, they took my photo.
Yeah. All right, so let's take a look
Everybody was just
and
gonna take.
see what's in
My
this
teacher
month's
needed to take
glove
a
box.
picture too.
All right, Mia, are you ready?
Yes.
So,
I'm getting the stuff.
we got our step-by-step guide. It says, go ahead, get messy. Crocodile cloth. Cool little card right here. This is, what does it say? Crocodile cloth, bigger, tougher, fiercely clean, oversized, pre-moistened cleaning cloths. We'll check that out. Okay, what else?
This.
Ooh, Geist. Geist. This is for leather and vinyl, this kit. We'll open this in a sec, but I want you to see this. What is that? Our New Car, an educational coloring and activity book. They got a coloring book for cars?
They have crayons too.
Wow.
They bring
And we got an
crayons.
awesome sticker.
Look at a crayon box.
Okay, you want me to open it for you? Cool.
It's a fun. This is a fun glove box.
You like this one?
Yes.
Yeah, because it's got coloring in it? Look at that. It says glove box. Detail matters.
It says go ahead, get messy.
Yeah, you like that too. You like getting messy, don't you? All right, so you got some colors. You got some crayons.
These
What?
are the crayons.
Yeah.
Green, blue, yellow, and red.
Good job, baby. Can you spell green?
G-R-E-N.
Can you spell blue?
B-L-U-E.
Can you spell red?
R-E-D. But let me see for yellow so I can know the word.
Okay, can you spell yellow?
Y-E-L-L-O-W.
Good job. All right, you want to color?
Yes.
So I'm going to do this. I'm going to go ahead and start opening this. I'm very interested in the leather care. I was actually checking out their training
Do
recently.
you like this?
Yeah, I like cars. That looks like an SUV, like mommy's car, right? Yeah.
And
So,
your car is a Lex.
yes, my car's a Lexus.
That's his car. His
But
car is black.
I was checking out Geist recently for their training program.
Guys.
Yep. So this is cool. Let's see what we got here. We got
Frame.
leather conditioner. That's really awesome. We got dye and friction blocker. Oh, this would probably be good on like white seats in the EVs, like the vegan leather.
Look.
And then rapid leather and vinyl cleaner. A nice leather brush. Ooh, that was real
I'm
nice.
going to.
You like that?
Hey.
And then some really nice cleaning cloths.
Look it.
Check those out. This is really cool. Really excited about this and can't wait to try these
Look
leather
at
cleaners
all
out. Thank you so much, Glove Box. This has been my favorite box so far. How about you?
This is my favorite.
This is your favorite box too?
Yeah.
Here. Got some snacks on your lips. So this was your favorite box?
Uh-huh.
Me too. Thank you, Glove Box. We really appreciate it.
Thank you, Glove Box family.
Thank you. And we can't wait to see what comes next month. Don't forget to like and subscribe as always, right, Mia?
Yep.
And we will see you
Subscribe
later.
to our YouTube channel and click the like button down below.
Yep. Thank you. See you later.
Bye.
Bye.
I will go. ink from the tires. Coloring this part too, the bumper.
Do you like your coloring book? Do you like cars?
Yes.
Are you a detailer?
Yes, I work in Rivian.
You work at Rivian?